So we need to decide 5 different communication channels for these cases. The first case is terminating an employee. I think face-to-face talking is really important in this case because you need to let both the employee and employer have the same page of what is going on, and a formal letter followed by the conversation is needed if the decision needs to be made. The second one is announcing a price increase to a really important customer. I think a phone call is necessary for this case because the customer is really valuable to you, and you need to explain to him about the reason why and like what makes you to trigger to make a decision. So physical talking is important. The third one is warning an employee for having too many absence. I think for this one, an email or a phone call is can be considered because you need to really tell the employee in details of what he have done wrong and why it is not good for the company. The fourth one is explaining health benefits to 50 new employees. For this one, because it's like 50 people, so it's kind of a lot. So I would suggest to use a blog or even on social media, let's say Facebook, to have a big published announcement to explain. But it's a really like a social casual thing. So Facebook is a good way to do it. And the last one is announcing a layoff to 200 employees. Since the audience is a lot here, so I think a formal email lead to a report is important to let the employee know the reason why they have to stop for a while, just maybe because of financial problems, so a report is included. Thank you.